Since the beginning of life, colors were already present. It helps us think, feel, and learn. Every color has its own meaning. It guides us on our everyday activities depending on how we perceive and use them as a design element. All of them are very important, but the color red has something different that most of them don't. Danger, stress, and power. Red always gives us strong feelings, and these could be good or heart-aching. Let's check out what's on the streets. Majority of the people today identifies red signals as a sign of warning or danger. It is always used to inform hazards and precautions because this color has the ability to catch the human eye's attention. Let's find out why. The secret is basically in our eyes. There is an actual quantity of cells that are processing whenever a human eye sees a color. The human eye has 250,000 color decoding cones, and when these focus on red objects, 83,000 of them are being activated. Being able to process the majority of the cones will stress out the eyes due to red's heavy color weight. Intensity and passion are its common representation. Our past experiences can affect the way we perceive this color. The wound we once had, the red blood that came out from it, war, and affection. These are the things that trigger our mind to identify the meaning out of it. It is the color of our heart, fire, and roses that represents love. Yep, there goes Cupid. It gives us a warm feeling when we're in love. The redness of our face when we blush. The red roses we give on our special someone on Valentine's Day. But then again, there's also this thing called pain, hate, and war. Red also means anger. It's not always the color for positive energy and a kind loving heart. Okay, enough with the drama. Let's move on. Since red can easily draw our attention, it is used in branding and designing a product. It can also be the best color in the market if you want to establish a food business or an effective branding. Since this is a warm color, it also happens to subliminally stimulate our appetite. Red can also be a useful color in presenting the increasing and decreasing issues of the global market by using different kind of graph and charts. Red is the top 2 favorite colors of all people. It is actually the most used color in flags, and approximately 77 of all flags in the whole world have red on it. There are some myths about this color that it tends to quicken a person's heartbeat and raises our blood pressure. It is one of the colors that steer our emotion, the color of blood, which sustains the idea of being alive. Learning such important things about the color red can help designers on how to put it into a better use. From the scientific basis to logical, too much red causes an irritating visual impact. But learning how it works with different elements can create an outstanding result.